Greetings to the jury. We are Team Bitwise Decoy, and our problem statement, like as constitutes of building nearest e-waste recycling locator website that generates points for user after successful exchange on the basis of amount of precious metals retrieved from the e-waste submitted by user. So now we'll be going through a glimpse of our first prototype. So this is our homepage, and there are different options for the user, and this is our login page. So the user can log in through this, and as you can see, it loads very quickly. So user experience is top priority for us. And then there's a contact us page. In case you have any feedback or suggestions or any appreciation, you can send us a message through your email, and there's an about a section, and uh, there's language, and there is sell e-waste, so you can sell laptops, phones, smartwatch, etc., etc. And there is our map feature, and there are our services. So this is a brief overview of what we do. So there's the map section. There is shops near you that you can locate, and there is the sell e-waste, uh, uh, and you can uh, choose to sell your e-waste. And then there's a PR partner. So this is something very unique and different. So what we do, we aim to promote a business model. So if you are a private business and you have an e-waste recycling service, you can provide us that. You can uh, uh, like uh, become a part of the project by teaming up with the government, and in turn we'll promote you on our website. And so in a way we are promoting sort of a business model, sort of a common goal of reducing e-waste, as well as uh, doing it in a way that benefits both the government and the business. And also, if you are also part of this business model is, if you are a local electronic shop, you can register yourself on the map as a mini center, and you can you can collect the e-waste from your nearest users and deliver it to e-center, which is established by the government in different cities, and it's like a common collection hub for e-waste. And third is the industrial user. If you want to if you want to mass uh, recycle the e-waste, you can choose to become an industrial user. And now back to our website, and now we'll go through our homepage properly. And so this is how our homepage looks like, and there is a snippet on what is e-waste, so the user should know, in case they don't know, that what exactly is e-waste. We are stating the government rules over here. And there is this message by us, like, why recycle e-waste. It's very important that you are recycling waste, and it's not just for the credit points or the money, but there is like a deeper impact to recycling e-waste. A deeper meaning to that, deeper movement to that, deeper reason to that. And we are connecting it, like being a part of being a responsible citizen, and how recycling e-waste and being a part of this movement is like a good citizen's responsibility. We are constantly emphasizing on that. And then we are drawing the user's attention to the negative impacts of the e-waste, and we are using numbers so that there is a significant impact made on the user's mind. And yes, this is our social media. You can click on it and access our social media and see what Hungry E has been up to. And now I'll be talking about some of our key features, like what we plan to do further. Some of our key features would include gamification, so which would be very unique. So there'll be like different levels to the uh, usage of the website, in terms of that, as with prolonged usage, the user will be given more points, that they can use, and they'll also be given badges, and there will be different levels, so the user is always encouraged to level up, to recycle e-waste more, to use our website more. And third, one of the most unique things would be that we are giving the user a choice, that if they want the money or if they want the coupons that can be utilized on third party websites. Say you want some sort of a discount on train tickets or movie tickets, or say you want to buy something on XYZ website, we'll be providing you coupons. The user can choose to utilize their credit points however they want. And we'll also have, for smoother experience, we'll also have like a chatbot which will be 24/7 available, and it will help user with its queries. And we'll also have a text to speech feature. And I've talked about the partnership and the business model, and also our map service. The map service has this option that once you locate your nearest user, in case your e-waste is big, you don't have the time to like transport it, you can book an appointment uh, on the dates and all. You can book an appointment, you can select a suitable date for yourself and book an appointment. So yes, these are some of our interesting features. I hope you liked it.